Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Alright, so I know, obviously, looking over things, got a little bit going on. Kind of primarily neck, upper back, kind of going into the shoulders.
Right.
Alright. Any trauma, accident, anything like that happened?
Not really. I played the flute for 8 years.
Okay.
So that like is sitting like that. But I can't imagine it doing that much damage.
Man, okay. So now this also first time, alright, first time ever getting adjusted. Now what do you feel on a day-to-day?
I would describe it more closely to sharp than dull, and it does kind of spread.
And you'll feel it like...
It's true. Mostly there.
Okay. So more on that right side.
Yes.
And it's this. Any ever tingling or numbness going down the arm?
No, nothing like that.
Okay. Just kind of all over that like right scapula.
Right.
Okay. Let me have you stand up. I just want to run through range of motion first. Okay. I'm going to start in the neck, so I'm going to have you look all the way up at the ceiling. Any pain, tenderness, tightness, pulling?
Tightness.
Tightness, okay. And then if you look down, any issues with that?
No.
Good. And then back to center, going to the left and right. You hear things crack already? No pain or anything like that?
No pain, no.
And then looking over each shoulder. Good. And then in the low back, if you bend forward at the waist, any issues with that?
I have tight hamstrings, but that's just me.
Okay. And then going back.
No.
To the sides. Okay. And then rotate. Perfect. Okay. Let me have you lay face down on the table for me. So I want to start off, just want to check that leg length here first. So not bad actually. Maybe about 1 millimeter short on the right, but that's actually really good.
Okay.
Hips are level. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with this. No pain with any of that, right?
No.
Good. Okay, I'm going to start with the massage gun first. And I'm going to start right up top here. Take a deep breath in and out. All right, one more time, deep breath in and out. Okay. let me have you sit up on the table for me, and then bring one leg on either side of the table. Yep. Not too bad, right?
Yeah.
I know for you, first time getting the adjustment done, so. Go. I'll rotate you over this way. Needed that one.
Yeah.
Alright, lay face down again for me. Alright, I'm going to stabilize in the sacrum. Raise your right leg up for me. All the way up, all the way up. Like, yeah, like that. Any pain doing that?
It's tight.
Okay.
Again, that's just me, I think.
The tight hamstrings.
Mhm.
Okay. Let that leg relax. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you can come down. And then raise the left leg up for me. How'd that one feel?
Same thing.
Same thing. Okay. And then actually I'm just gonna have you, bring your arms down to the side. So I just want to get some drops in that lumbar spine, kind of going into the lower thoracic as well here. Still very close, but let me go through. I'm gonna have you lay on your side and face me this way.
Like with my arm underneath and your own too.
Bring it like, yeah.
Like that.
Yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna keep the bottom leg straight, top one bent. Good. And then come a little bit closer towards me. Perfect. And then flip to the other side for me. And then lay on your back. Alright, get these leg pulls in here. You'll feel some release in the ankle to the knee, going all the way up into the hip. There we go. Okay. Bring your arms up. Bring your hands on top of mine. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to have you fall back under me, like chest fall. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good.
Oof.
There we go. Okay. And then take your seat for me. Okay. One up. Up, one up. Good. Take a deep breath in. And out. Perfect. And then you can let your hands just rest. Okay. Obviously, this is going to be a first for you with the Y strap.
Oh, wow.
And rest. What did you feel?
That was great. Like 9 inches taller.
I know, it's like you see the videos and
Yeah.
it just, getting it done doesn't even compare.
Right. Oh, that was so good.
Okay, relax right there. A little bit on that atlas on that left side there. Come on up. Yeah, let me have you stand on up. More importantly, how are you feeling?
Much better.
That, it was all right up here. I mean, well, that was a majority. How does that spot feel?
It's definitely, I feel like it's lower. I don't know if it looks lower, but it feels like it is.
Good. Not too bad, because I know first time ever getting any kind of chiropractic care done. Today, I always tell everyone, like, no lifting, just kind of take today off.
No problem.
Increase the water. Goal, I typically shoot for about 4 times a year.
Okay.
So I know you're not too far from here, which is a good thing. Any questions?
No, no questions. Thank you.
You're welcome, definitely. But yeah, just rest today, relax, increase that water, but
Sweet.
you're good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.